Introducing the Sealey low-profile high-lift trolley jack with rocket lift, the ultimate solution for lifting vehicles with ease. The easily adjusted lifting span gives the advantage of low entry, high lift and super high lift trolley jacks in one. From a minimum saddle height of just 98mm for low chassis vehicles to a maximum saddle height of 770mm, suitable for SUVs and extreme off-road vehicles. The 360-degree rear castors make positioning the jack under the vehicle easy. Rubber jacking pads are fitted to both saddles to prevent damage to the vehicle. The long two-piece jacking handle reduces operator effort and is supplied with a foam bumper to protect bodywork. The cast iron pump with twin pistons bring the lifting arm into contact with the jacking point in minimal pumps. The jack has a capacity of 2 tons for low-profile lifts and 3 tons for high lifts. The reinforced lifting arm and solid U-channel side plates keeps lifts strong and secure. Upgrade your garage with the Sealey low-profile high-lift trolley jack with rocket lift.